Hello there, my name is Dr. Linda Auker, and I'm an assistant professor in the biology department at Misericordia University. So I imagine that if you're watching this video, you're probably wondering what a Misericordia degree has to offer and what you can learn from Misericordia faculty. Well, I teach upper level courses in marine biology and invertebrate zoology in the biology department for majors, but I also teach non-majors in our core curriculum course, Essential Biology, as well as an introductory marine biology course that I'm offering this fall. In addition to that, I also mentor students on independent research projects. I'm actually going to talk about that for the rest of this video. At Misericordia, you can pursue research in a couple of different ways. So you can do so during the academic year. In the biology department, as part of our curriculum, we offer a couple of courses that you take for credit. One is the junior seminar in the fall of your junior year, where you work with your faculty mentor to come up with a hypothesis and you write a proposal on research that you want to do. So you do research with that faculty mentor, and in your senior year, we have a senior thesis component or seminar where you learn how to communicate that research to the greater university community and to your peers. So you can also do research during the summer. Misericordia offers an opportunity called the Summer Undergraduate Research Fellowship. During this opportunity, you work with your faculty mentor for about 10 weeks during the summer. You have a stipend, and so you can focus your time on completing that research. So I mentor students who are interested in marine biology. Current research in my lab focuses on invasive species in marine communities and the impacts those species have on both native species biology as well as marine community structure. I have one student who's looking at the impacts of overgrowth by an invasive species on shellfish biology. And I have another student who's looking at the impacts of invasive species on marine community structure overall. So you might ask, Dr. Auker, I don't really want to be a professor or scientist, so why should I do research? Well, there's lots of reasons to do research. For example, the student that I'm working with who's studying shellfish biology wants to go to medical school to be a doctor. And in doing research, while that might not be something he ends up doing down the road, that is doing research, in doing research, he's working on honing his analytical skills, his observational skills. We all want our doctors to be able to pay attention to detail, and that's one thing that you definitely develop while doing research. But he's also working on understanding animal physiology overall. So the research he's doing, coupled with his coursework, is helping him get a much clearer picture of animal physiology and how it can be disrupted. So that's one great thing that you can do at Misericordia. You can work with your faculty mentor to find a project that fits your goals as well as your mentor's interest to design something that's going to build your analytical skill set down the road. In my lab, I do my best to match my students' abilities and goals with projects that I have in my expertise. So I certainly hope that you will consider Misericordia, and I definitely hope to see you in the classroom and in the hallways. Be well.